Today I bring you to a place called Osgood Trails. I will not be fishing this today, but in September I will be, and it will be the first time. I also like to add, today marks my 14 years doing YouTube videos. Yes, it has been 14 years now I've been doing videos. All right, now that we got that out of the way, let me tell you a little bit about something about the Osgood Trails and the rock quarry. Yes, rock quarry, my friends. I got little sweat bees flying all around my camera right now, so if there's one on the side, if you see one getting the view, just overlook it. This is an old rock quarry. Yeah, it dates back to early 1800s, and the town of Osgood didn't know exactly what to do with the old rock quarry, so they decided to turn it in to what's called today Osgood Trails. As you can see, you got a black walking trail. I've got this on video multiple times, and right over yonder there is the other part of the rock quarry. And yes, the fishing here, from what I gather, is very good, but I will not be doing it today. I'm waiting till September when I go on vacation. I'm going to come up here on a weekday, and we got a little honey spot way over yonder, way over that way, which I got a feeling I'll be showing it closer here in a minute. That's where we're going to fish from. As you can see, we have my daughter with me. We have Kitt, which looks like Angie's getting ready to get him in the water. And by the way, if you're wondering, for all my friends out there that know me personally and are fishing, and that darn sweat bee loves me or my hat, this thing's loaded with crappie. I don't know about carp. I imagine it has catfish, but I do know it has crappie, as I talked to a fisherman up here back about a year ago. I'm going to take a side note for a minute. Earlier this afternoon, we took Kitt to one of our favorite dog parks. When we got in there was two other dogs. They were, one second, I gotta ask Angie, because I keep wanting to call them poodles, but they're not. They were called doodles. And there were two of them, and if you ever know a doodle dog, that's bigger than my Kitt. Well, you had a fence between the two of them, and Kitt was playing with them, running up and down the fence. Well, since I don't hear out of this ear at all, and I'm over there playing with Kitt, you know, and on the big dog side, because that's where they was, and we was on the smaller dog side, only because, you know, the water fountain over on the big dog side was out of order. And she's like, is there any way I could bring my dogs over there to get them a drink? Would it be okay? And Angie's like, come on in. We've been wanting Kitt to meet other dogs for a while now. And yes, Kitt did seem to be happy with them. When it was on the other side of the fence, they seemed to be happy with Kitt. Well, as soon as them big dogs came in, the one dog was like, oh, let me run. And the dog wasn't vicious or anything, but Kitt got scared. Oh boy, did he ever get scared. Look at him, he's pulling Angie like a son of a gun. But yeah, he got scared. The other dog was just running to run and play with him, and yeah, Kitt didn't want no part of that, guys. None. Yeah, I would definitely keep them in the grass. The walkway may be too hot.
I think they're getting ready to extend the walkway.
Oh, yeah, they've been wanting it. Oh, they are actually getting ready to do it now.
Yeah, they've got it blocked.
Well, remember me telling you they're going to make a trail going all the way to Versailles from here.
Yeah.
So, guys, if you live in southeastern Indiana, yes, I'm in video here, buddy. If you live here in southeastern Indiana, and you know where Osgood is, where I'm at now, Osgood Trails, they're going to make a walkway, which I was reading this back about a month ago, and it's going to go all the way connecting to Versailles State Park. Today's plans probably will still be for me fishing, but not on this video. No. I got my handheld that's not on the gimbal in the car waiting to go fishing. Now, I'm a little worried a little bit because you know how I said I ain't going back to Versailles State Park and fish? More than likely, we're going to end up there unless we see something unless we see something else first. By some chance you guys ever want to see the video I did down here when we first found it, Stormy was with me, I will post it down in the description. So Michael, when you watch and you do the editing on this video, and Angie, be careful, There's sweat bees everywhere. Are they on you?
No.
They're all over me.
That's all.
Make sure you put that down in the description. So if you guys want to see my old dog Stormy. And when we found this spot back about 3 years ago, I did that video really justice. And now they do not have any restrooms on the premises, but they do want to put restrooms in here someday. But they're having to go through a lot of hoops and hoodles.
Hoops and hoodles.
Hoops and hoodles. Yeah.
Hoops and hoodles.
Loops and hoodles. Before they could do such things. I'd love to take you over yonder and get you guys some peeksy on the other side, but there's a crowd of teenagers over there and they're having a good old time, being a little loud. And some of the words are not something I want to put on my YouTube channel. But they're just having a good old time, you know. But right now, this isn't exactly it. We're going to do some look-see. I may be able to use this for my thumbnail.
Down there, Kitt.
Yeah, an old rock quarry. I wish I would have done more. I wish I would have remembered the research I did on it. I could have told you exactly what years it was used and exactly how it came to be to what it is today. But I gave you the gist of it, or at least the most of it. So Elizabeth, have you actually been here before?
No.
Be daggone. I know we had our youngest son here.
I had Damien here.
But it is beautiful though. There's a gentleman over there fishing. When I was over there videotaping, he kind of was looking at me. Sorry about that, buddy. And you see there's a trail right yonder there. We're probably going to hit that trail this fall too. That trail wasn't accessible the last time we was, well, it was, yeah, I think it was the last time we was here. It wasn't accessible. That's something else they just did. All right, guys, I'm going to close it out here. So the myth of today's video, back coming up September. In September, I'll be fishing this. And if it turns out to be good, I'll be fishing this a lot. And my 14 years on YouTube, y'all. 14 years. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and sign out now. And we're going to head and probably get us a drink before we head out of here and see if we can find something else. If not, I'm probably going to end up at Versailles State Park. And the reason I'm picking back there again to fish is because I don't have no reasons why. I still want to at least... I'm getting burned out with it, to be honest with you. Only because I fish there so much. But then again, it is my favorite place of all. Just saying. And plus, they wasn't many people there. We pulled in there before we came here and there wasn't many people there. All right, guys, till next time, thanks for watching. If you got any questions, leave them down in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Sometimes I have okay videos. And sometimes for a weekend tidbit, I bring a little bit of drama your way. Like the Conjuring House. And by the way, the drama even got thicker since I made that last video. Till then, come on, let's get out of here. Thank you for watching.